If you want to clean the charging port or USB-C port that we have on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, if you want to use some household items, or if you're wondering what you can use in order to clean the port, then let me just quickly share some tips with you. So first of all, before you start doing anything with the USB-C port, I can recommend you turning the phone off completely. You want to shut it down before you start cleaning the port. Now the best option, the best tool that you can use to clean the port is probably the wooden toothpick. And of course you want to carefully scrape out any dust, any debris. You can pull out lint slowly with a wooden toothpick, or thin paper strip, it might work as well. And the reason why it's the best is because you should definitely avoid using metal objects. So if you are thinking about like some needle or pin or something, then it is definitely not something that you should do, because you can damage connectors or you can short circuit the phone. So definitely avoid using any metal objects. You can also use a dry or soft toothbrush, so you can lightly brush the port opening over here, and this helps loosen fine dust. You can try to blow out particles, but ideally you want to use compressed air for that. Some people like to use their mouth, but if you do use your mouth, you always risk of adding moisture to the port, which can damage the port as well. And apparently there is a trick that you can utilize, and that is you can use like a clean straw and you can blow through that clean straw, because it avoids adding moisture to the port, so you can try to do that. And yeah, that should be pretty much all. These are, I think, the best tools that you can use in order to clean the port. You can also use like a thin cardboard as well. If you have one, that can be a pretty good option as well. It's pretty safe. And sometimes I also recommend using cotton swabs, but only for the outside of the port. You don't really want to put it inside the port, simply because it can shed fiber, of course. So you can damage the port in the meantime. So if you want to use cotton swab, you can do so, but only outside of the port. You don't want to put it inside. You don't want to use any water, you don't want to use any liquid cleaners, you don't want to use any alcohol. Of course, you can try to use the isopropyl alcohol outside of the port, like with the cotton swabs, but you don't want to put it inside the port. Don't use any metal tools, don't use excessive force, because you can damage pins inside, and you should be good. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.